So welcome to our JavaScript tutorial, and the topic for today is JavaScript Fundamentals. And now we start with the introduction. And I will say JavaScript is a very powerful but cold technology and lightweight front-end development language for interactive web pages and applications. It creates elements for improving site visitors' experience with web pages such as drop-down menus, animations, graphics, and dynamic background colors. JavaScript was created in 1995 by Brendan Inge while he was an engineer at Netscape. The first release was with Netscape 2 early in 1996. It was originally going to be called LiveScript, but it was renamed to JavaScript to cash on the popularity of Sun macro system Java language, which was taken over by the Oracle PLC. JavaScript was originally designed to run on the browser, but has now evolved to run on the server and any gadget that has a JavaScript engine with the aid of Node.js. Popularity of JavaScript. JavaScript is as popular as the internet or World Wide Web because it is used in almost all websites and apps all over the world. The first point of contact of the internet is the HTML, and followed by CSS, and thirdly, the JavaScript. JavaScript is a dynamic language used by creative organizations for movies, games, animations, images, emails, live chats, etc. JavaScript engineers or developers are sought all over the world, and those with a creative mind can do a lot of great things. Framework. The JavaScript has AngularJS, jQuery, and React.js for the front-end development of productivity. And for the back-end development, you use Node.js. JavaScript and Java. Yeah, sometimes there are confusion with JavaScript and Java. However, both are programming languages, but quite different from each other. However, it is an interpreted language, but uses a blend of compiler to be able to get the best performance. Every code has to be interpreted by machine and compiled for human understanding. ECMAScript. JavaScript is also sometimes confused with the ECMAScript, which is an international European computer manufacturing association known for setting standards for information technology industries. The ECMAScript merely refers to the organization's approval of JavaScript. JavaScript was first invented in 1995 and became an ECMA standard in 1997. And since then, it has been revised or renewed annually. JavaScript Engine. A JavaScript is an integral part of web development and application, all browsers and web editors are embedded with a JavaScript engine. You can read, write code and run on any editor and web browser such as Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and the host of them without the need of installing and configuring the JavaScript engine. V8 is in Chrome, Opera, and Edge. And SpiderMonkey you have in Firefox. How the engine works. The engine reads, pairs the code, compile, convert it to machine code, then run and optimize the code on the browser. You can place the code on the body or in the head section of the HTML page, or in both. Features. It's very simple to learn and understand. Very quick, very fast, because it runs on the browser without connecting to the server. It's compatible with versatility. It's compatible with other programming languages such as PHP, Perl, Java, Python, and the rest of them. Popular, a very large community using and supporting people using JavaScript. Server load, data validation can be done on the browser. You don't have to go through the server. It's very powerful language. Dynamic, new versions are introduced and reviewed every year. It's fast because it loads from this and run from the browser. Security. The security of JavaScript code runs on the client side vulnerable. They are vulnerable to exploitation by irresponsible users. Node.js offers protection to the back end. Modern JavaScript is a safe programming language. It does not provide access to low-level memories such as CPU or maybe a hard disk and the rest of them. How it works. JavaScript is embedded in the HTML and can run as the page is loaded. It can be on the header or on the body or both of them. Depending on the program, it can run with the HTML or event-driven when the mouse moves or hover. It reacts to users' actions. Run on mouse click, pointer movement, and key press. Response to requests over the network to the server. Set cookies member and get users' information. Keeps track of visitors and usage. And I think that's what I can give to you now. And if you like this, you go subscribe and share, and have your comments or questions. Let's put it forth, and also you can as well like, and we'll get back to you as you get back to us, and now we look out for more of our videos.